Hey everybody, it's Mark Yagi. Just a quick update on SpaceX. I know a lot of you are wondering what the heck is going on. Listen, steady as she goes is essentially what's going on. You can see the chart here on our cash flow machine IQ program, and it's basically an AI assisted way to do covered calls and invest in the market. And it shows SpaceX using our Genius system is a green light. So you could see it's kind of come up from the bottom, but essentially it's got three green lights and one red light, going pretty much sideways right now, maybe down a little bit today. Let's take a look at the action on the chart here. So here's what we have with SpaceX. You could see these are the spots that I've gotten in. So you could see I had a really great fill here, right? Shows you that I don't try to predict the markets, right? I use the tools that I have. So I bought high for sure. And I bought up here at 220, something like that, and I sold the 170 strike, so I was 50 or 55 points in the money, which give me all that downside cushion plus some juice. So I'm in this for the juice, and if you're trying to say that I'm not too smart for buying it at the top, I guess I could probably agree with that. But at the end of the day, I bought it at the top, and I gave myself a big old cushion. And so if you don't understand that and you're just making a comment that I didn't, pick the stock right, well, you don't understand the system. If you understand the system because you're smart and you've been with me for a while, you understand that selling deep in the money is what has given me some protection on the downside. So I'll show you. I got in the stock. I sold the 170 strikes against it. I was $55 in the money plus the juice. And then when it got down to like 155, when it got down to 170, I moved the strike to the 155. That was giving me another $15 worth of downside cushion. But you know what? It kept going down, right? Like, I don't know if it's going to go up or down. So I got to play defense. And so when it got to 155-ish, I moved it to the 145s, giving myself $10 more of protection. Now, when I rolled, it cost me a little bit of money in juice because I got $10, let's say, in juice. But when I bought it back, I had to pay like $12 in juice. So I lost a couple of bucks in juice, but boy, I got the $10 worth of protection on the downside, which I sure did need on the way down. So I moved it to the 145s, and then I moved my base from the 135s, which is where I started. Instead of buying the stock itself all the way up here, I used what's called a synthetic. And so I bought a deep in the money 135 call. And then when the stock came down in here on this day, I did a lot on that day. You might remember that video. And I moved those strike prices on the short position down. And I also moved down my long position from 135 to 100. And then I added one more contract, and that's called the compensator. I'm throwing you in the deep end. You're getting all the heavy stuff from my course right here. But this is just one of the things that right off the bat, we had to defend our position. And that is a critical component of making sure you don't lose money. Because imagine if you bought the stock up here, like I did. I'm not shying away from the fact that I bought it at the high. I was excited about it. But I wanted to get involved with it. And I knew that it could go down. And I protected myself to the downside, by 70, 80 points, something like that. So I haven't really lost much money. I think I'm down maybe $2,000 at this point. But man, if I had that many shares, I think it was 500 shares. If I'd had 500 or 600 shares of the stock itself and I didn't do any protection, I'd be down huge amounts of money, 40, 45,000, something like that. I'm only down $2,000. And by the time this is all over, at the end of just this call, and I'm going to keep rolling the calls probably, I will have made money from the juice. And that's what I'm after here. So I get into a position. I try to be conservative on getting into it. I play defense if I have to, which I did here. And then as I play that defense, I'm now focusing on the juice, right? The juice is the extrinsic value from the option. Could I have waited and bought it lower? Yeah, sure. It could have also gone way higher, and I would have been paying more too. Did I know that this was coming? No. Like, that's the stock market, right? If you guys know and you have a way of reading the crystal ball better than me, great. I'm all about it. But I don't claim to know which way a stock is going, obviously, right? And since I don't know which way the stock is going, I use covered calls to create income from the stock. Okay. So now I'm sitting here with a position where I've got 6 synthetic calls, right? That's 600 shares basically. And I've got the 145 sold against it. The stock right now is trading at 157. So I'm $13 in the money, which means I have minimum $13 of downside cushion, and I'm waiting for that time decay to work in my favor as the theta decays into the expiration date, which is still a couple of weeks away. So that's what's going on with SpaceX. You can see the chart since I did all this action is really kind of flat. And that's good. Flat is good for covered call sellers because time is on our side. The more we wait, the more time decays. And since we're selling that time, we get the money as it decays. Hope that makes sense. Just a quick update on SpaceX. And listen, we have a big, wonderful celebration weekend coming up in this country. It's the 250th birthday of the country, and it doesn't matter what side you're on. Hopefully you can get your brain around the fact that we have a wonderful country, and we sure are lucky that we live here. So go out and celebrate. Have a wonderful time with your family and your friends this weekend. Be safe, but have a great time and celebrate this wonderful land. And I will talk to you. I'll see you on the next video when we do another SpaceX update. Take care.
The information you just heard is for education and information. This is not financial advice.